Today, we are going to talk about the right brushing technique. A very good morning. I am Dr. Shweta Mathur Lall from Apollo Hospital, Noida. Yes, you heard it right, the right brushing technique. We all have our own brushing techniques, but do we follow the actual rules? So today, we are going to make you acquainted with the brushing technique. So whenever we pick up brush, I tell all my patients, please remember that brushing is actually an art of moving your wrist and the neck in a complete synchronized manner. There should be no movement of the shoulder. The moment your shoulder starts moving and your brushing techniques become swish, swish horizontal, that's where all the problem occurs. So the brushing as far as your upper teeth are concerned should be downward and outward. Downward and outward. Idea of brushing is to remove the teeth from the crevices between the teeth. So it should be downward and outward. And for the lower teeth, it should always be upward and outward. Upward and outward. I tell all my patients in the dental office that brushing is a simplified, glorified jharu. Why? It's different color, but the purpose of the brush is the same as a cleaning broom, where you have to remove the deposits. If it is not done right after, when the dirty things or the food habits or the eating has taken place, then it is going to be futile after a couple of hours. So it's not only the technique, but when to do, which is important as well. So you have to brush your teeth right after you eat and not a couple of hours after. As in, we all teach our children to brush our teeth in the morning and then brush your teeth before going to bed. This is a wrong notion. One should be brushing after breakfast and after dinner. Yes, I've said it right. You have to brush after breakfast. If you brush at 6 o'clock in the morning, you've not really had anything while you were sleeping. So brush after you have your breakfast, so that your mouth is disease and deposits free throughout the day. At lunch, you can rinse, and after dinner, you have to brush. And you will not wait for 2 hours and brush just before going to bed, so that the damage can be minimized. So it's not only the technique, but also when to do the brushing that makes all the difference. So wishing you a happy smile from Dr. Shweta Mathur Lall and Apollo Hospital, Noida.